Hey guys, Collecting Dev here. I got a little box opening today. It's 2020 Series 2 Topps Jumbo. So it looks like you get one autograph and two relics. But I think we're looking for like the super short prints, stuff like that. So get into it. Just got some new little business cards printed. Really just to like go on things that I send out and stuff. But they're pretty nice. Check me out on Twitter and Instagram, and there's YouTube. Let's bust into this. Again, I'm trying to do this thing where I will put the prices up when I edit the video, so hopefully anything noteworthy I'll stick up there, and if I miss anything, especially like a short print or something, please let me know, because it might get tossed or it might get put in a bargain bin type of thing that I have. So I guess with Jumbo, I haven't opened Jumbo of these before. You get Hobby Exclusive, which feels like one of those like manufactured patches. Oh yeah, and then 2 Chrome Decades. We'll say those for the end. I have no idea what's in there. I don't think I've even seen anybody open these yet. It's gonna take a while. I'm probably gonna skip through most of it because there's so many with Jumbo. Yeah, there's a ton in here. Probably get a big chunk of the set done just buying Jumbo. Alright, I'm not going to speed them too crazy because I don't know exactly what I'm looking for. You might hear somebody banging. That's our neighbors are remodeling some of their house, part of their house. I guess the first half of these are going to be sideways cards, which is getting a bit annoying. Try not to miss anything. Yeah, so nothing Zuna, nothing noteworthy so far. Just base. Trying to get a feel for how these are. Hernandez, Choi. This is a rookie first one. So that's what they look like, just base paper rookies. Try to just keep all those separate. Castro rookie, which will be a ton of them, I'm sure. Go Brantley. In 2020, I still don't understand why we can't get cards going the same way. We'll just go this way, then this goes this way. I do think the short prints should be backwards. Darvish. No, Jose Ramirez. I'm curious to see how his year goes. I got some of his stuff that I'm saving. He kind of flies under the radar, I think. Another rookie of Nunez. Mark Melancon. Oop. Gold. Guess I'll just keep all this non-base stuff off to the side. Decade's Best Boston Red Sox. Jim Rice All-Star. And Francisco Lindor. Okay. So that's what they look like. Yeah, I think most of this is going to be probably just boring base. Camera battery might die. I might have to change that out. I need to keep an eye on that so I don't miss anything. Hicks, Lauer, Lugo, rookie, Noose, team cards, Irvin, J.D. Davis, Didi Gregorius. I feel like some of these, a lot of these people I haven't heard of. Well, I mean, heard of them, but I haven't heard of them in a while, I guess. Keuchel. Baseball starts in like 2 weeks, so that's kind of nice. At least something to watch. Stroman. if I see a hit, I'm probably gonna try to save it to the end. Zimmerman, Gonzalez, Kim rookie, and a Meaton gold. I don't think none of these are numbered. Indians Mattingly, and then a Vlad Jr. Insert card. See if I get through one more pack at least before this camera dies. Alright, Rich Hill. So rookie of Justin Dunn. Harrison Bader. Oxen. Dario. Brett Phillips, Urias. If anybody is going to try to do the base set of this, please hit me up. I'll save some of these base for a couple weeks, but I just kind of run out of place to keep them, so I have to just discard of them, which sucks. But I can't keep every base of everything I open. I'll run out of room. My wife will divorce me. Hunter Harvey rookie. Wade Jr. rookie. Andahar. Hope he has a big year. I have a lot of his stuff. Jansen. Oh, here's our first quote-unquote hit. I'm not gonna save this though. Just a manufactured patch of Jack Flaherty. Nothing crazy. Cool looking at least. Justin Upton gold. That's out of 2020. Luciano Silver, I guess. Babe Ruth. Tim Anderson insert, and Tatis. So we got Vlad and Tatis, whatever insert that is. Put this back over here. Alright, and we're back. Sorry. I knew my camera was going to die. Didn't open anything else, I just stopped. Alright, let's back at it. All this base. Akiyama. Rookie, and a Mayhas Brian. Man, guys got some crazy names. Well, not crazy, just hard for me to pronounce. It's another rookie of Bednar. Now I'm just making it more complicated. Base. Base. Gomes. Josh Reddick. Maldonado. Cave. Margot. Dobnik. Rookie. Mendick rookie. Cisco Meha. David Robertson. Tyrod Taylor, just not to be confused with Tyrod Taylor, who's a receiver in the NFL, or used to be. I don't know if he still is. It's a rookie of Logan Webb. Oh, Pujols. Blackman insert. Mike Mahan. A silver of Chad Green. Oh. Player of the Decade, Mike Trout. Ballot Bonanza. Austin Riley. And then another Mike Trout. Two Mike Trouts. Never gonna complain about getting a Mike Trout. Alright, we got 6 packs left. Man, I'm not going fast enough. This is going to be a 30-minute video. Okay. Door Moore. let's just try to go through these a little bit faster now. Anybody? Upton. Rich Hill. Justin Dunn, rookie. Birdie, rookie. Fraley, rookie. Cespedes. I wonder if that's a short print. I know they have these codes. I think it's like to 50. Oh, it's 99. Just looks like it'd be a short print, maybe. I think who the big guy obviously is Robert. I think is who we're looking for. I've looked at a little bit of this online for sale and stuff. Not much openings. Maybe one. Oh, here's another rookie. Heineman. Oh, Mookie Betts and his Dodgers stuff. It's weird. It's got to be fake. Bundy. A's. The Angels, they need some pitching pretty bad. Tops now. Juan Soto. Bomba Brothers. McCovey. Here's a rookie. Oh, here's a. That's probably decent. Louis Robert. It'll focus. Whatever insert this is, I still don't know. I should look this up. Oh yeah, you can hear construction. It's a good part of living in the city. Tops 2030, maybe? I'm not sure. That's a good hit. Anything with Robert is nice. Oh, I guess I missed another rookie in there too. Okay. 5 packs. A ton of mess over here. Clace rookie. Daza rookie. White Sox. James Karnachuk rookie. Try to get these going all one way. Ravello rookie. Yamaguchi rookie. I wonder if this is a nope. Maybe one day I'll figure out what these short prints are, because I have no clue. I just have to look at this code on the back if the photo looks a bit wonky. Severino, Kluber. Freeman. Oh, here's the auto. It's a rookie. Austin Nola. It's not bad. Good autograph. Car looks good. Oh, Brown Reynolds. Played at Vanderbilt. Gold. Donaldson Silver. Just ran them together. Donaldson Silver. There's a Pete Alonso. Whatever insert that is. Making a mess now. Miguel Sano. And is it Joey Gallo? Yeah, Joey Gallo. Honestly, didn't think he still played. Let's get this auto. Yeah, I'm glad I get rookie autos. I was gonna save it, but it kind of just snuck up on me. Alright, 4 packs left. Ton of rookies. Just like to open this stuff like once a year and then just save all the rookies that are not, you know, anything good today, and then look them up next year. Let's see here. Hernandez rookie. Mayfield rookie. Severino. Upton. Okay, another rookie of Garlic. Garlic? Yeah, Garlic. Interesting. Cool name. Birdie. Fraley. Oh, Walker Buehler. Plate of Andy. I'm going to save that just from shits and giggles. Hobbies. Giancarlo. Yeah, I mean, I would probably suggest you guys watch this on 2x speed. It's pretty boring for the most part. Just insert stuff. Twins. Bo Jackson. Oh, and then a Bo Bichette. Insert rookie. You get one of these a pack, it looks like. Maybe I wonder if they're just exclusive to Jumbo or not. Alright, 3 to go. And 46 cards. A ton of cards in here. Some smoke. Rookie. Chris Bryant. Duggar rookie. Leba rookie. Griffin Canning. One of the starters for the Angels. It's a rookie. Alright, we'll try to finish these up really fast. Kind of got stopped because the camera keeps dying. There's another rookie. Tony Kemp, played at Vanderbilt. Frazier, McCann. Oh. Alright. Alright, second hit. It's just a Judge. Just like patch card. Oh, summered out 25. That's cool. Nope. Yeah, it's not too bad. I guess it could be worse. It's better than one of those manufactured patches. Oh, there's a silver Kim. Oh, this one's numbered. Maybe this one's short printed. No idea. Don't know why it says numbered. Code 13, yeah. It's numbered out of 300. Okay, back. Sorry for this terrible production. This will never happen again. I've already ordered another charger. Just so I can, just not have to deal with this anymore. I don't know what happened to it. I think it grew legs and walked away. But yeah, we'll try to speed through this. Perez, Will Myers, Garrett Cole, Ball, rookie of Akiyama, another Mayhouse Breen rookie. Diaz. Oh, there you go. Larry Robert rookie. That's a good one. Just leave it up real quick. I know my cell phone's not gonna die at least. Not too bad. Drawing cards. Cole Tucker. Stalmont rookie. Chang rookie. Rodriguez rookie. Lopes rookie. Zooch, I think is his name. Sheffield. I'm sorry, I'm way away. Reynolds. We y'all know where he went to college. Kramer, Minor. Also, he went to Vanderbilt. Let's see here. Keen Hamels. Still a Braves insert. Okay, so I think this is going to be the short print. The alternate photo or whatever. Let's see. Yeah, it's Pujols. It's probably a decent one. Yeah, it's not numbered. We're Pujols. Let's leave that up. Chris Taylor gold, Yastrzemski, Sandberg, and then in Acuna. Okay, let's leave that up. Last pack plus this little bonus packs. I wonder if these are worth grading. These short print alternate photos. All right. Asadio, diving. Bednar, rookie. Hernandez, rookie. Mayfield, rookie. Oh yeah, Dobnik, rookie. Yeah, he did get a ton of rookies, huh? Mendick. Garlic again. Kopech, hope he has a good year. Hope the White Sox have a good year in general. Abreu. Future Stars. Hosmer. Wilkerson. Jordan Home Run Challenge. Oh, nice little promotion. That's kind of cool. Put that to decenter hits. A gold, number to 2020. Zuno. Let's see here. Silver Voth, another Player of the Decade Trout. Simon, and then Lux rookie. Kind of ran out of sleeves. I haven't done a video in a while. I feel like I've been so well prepared. So let's do these two. Oh wait, they're not what I thought they were. So they're just two 4-pack hobby exclusives. No idea what these are. Okay. Akiyama. Oh, okay. So it's just like the 35th anniversary from the other set I did. Rookie. Let's see here. Buster Posey. AJ Puck rookie. And Zach Collins rookie. Keep all these together. Probably decent. Okay. Hobby exclusive. Marte. Soler. Tony Gwynn. Nick Solak. He's pretty good. Go with the bigger hits. It's trash. And then the last pack is going to be this 2 Chrome Decades Best cards. So we got Roger Clemens and Kansas City Royals. Not sure about any of these. Cool. And then let's go over some of the bigger hits. Anything noteworthy, I'll flash a price up. Be kind of careful with these. So we got a Solak 35th anniversary, Puck 35th, Collins, Akiyama, Gavin Lux insert rookie, Jordan home run rookie, the Pujols alternate art card, Robert, a Judge out of 25, which is pretty nice. I don't know why it's not solo. Bichette, Austin Nola, and another Louis Robert. So not too bad. Sorry again about all the camera mishaps. It won't happen again. But yeah, thanks for watching.